Nore mātana hau, he uri no miti o te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi ke taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. Te tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe tangaro.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, e whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, e haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. He whai ake nei, he haerenga moana ki ngā wai o manawa tāwhi, ki reira ka hopu aku.
Too good, boys.
Hey, that's what we're talking about.
E kahana te ngau a ngā araara.
Oh, there's lunch. That's lunch.
Hey, man, hey.
Ā, ka whakamātaua hau ki te hopu i taku takekenui tuatahi.
Oh, no.
Ōturu rises one day before Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a period of high energy and a great day for fishing.
Can you feel the energy? Can you feel it rushing in? We're in perfect synergy. Let me take the lead, follow me.
E tā marama, tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. Whānau, I've been on the road for many hours and I'm just arriving up in the far north, just about to pull up in Pukenui, in Hauhora, on an epic mission over the next few days, heading up towards Manawa Tāwhi, gonna be fishing out towards the King Bank, in search of my first takekenui, my first Marlin. Whānau, I can't wait. Whānau, on a mission, heading up, fishing the waters of Te Hiku o Te Ika, heading up towards Manawa Tāwhi, fishing the deeper waters, aiming for moione, warahenga, tēnā pia ko ngā takekenui, e wehe ana mai konei me tō mātou kai urungi, a Craig Burns, i runga, i tōna poti nui, a Eclipse, haere tahi ana mātou ko ku Krangarua, a Muri Rāpana, rāwa ko Dazzlecleave. We're going to start this trip in the phase of Ōhua. We're transitioning into Ōturu tonight. We're going to be out on the water, out to sea for a few days. So we're going to transition through different maramataka phases, see what might be out there. Nō reira, kia mautonu mai. He nui ngā mahi ki te whakarite i te puti, engari ko rite mātou ki te haere. Ā, ka whai wāhi ki te kōrero tahi me aku karangarua.
No, well, this is our first trip up the Kings together, eh, my bro?
Hard.
But like yourself, been up there a couple of times, man, and it's just one of those bucket list places that you just want to go with good people, have a good time, be real cautious about the water and where we are, eh, man, and just smash some big ones.
Oh, definitely, Kazzy, definitely. So, whānau, what I'm loving about this trip is we got this big boat, and we just got three of us. Me and the Kazzies here, we're up fishing the waters near Manawa Tāwhi, targeting some of the biggest fish you can get around Aotearoa, and well, there's only three of us. We just cruise along and hope that we get on to the good stuff.
Yeah, tika tau. Ka toi mai a ngāpui te whātuki e nei tokorua me pēhea te hopuika. Ka toi mai a ngāpui te kuraina we nei tokorua nei. Nō reira, mihi ka tika. It's on.
And so no doubt, whānau, as you can hear, puta mai ana te bloody te tiko i tana waha. There's going to be a lot of banter on this trip, whānau.
Ahatia te kōrero whakatoi, e tika ana me tuku karakia kia haumaru ai te haere.
Taki uru, hahau te toki māre ana ko te nuku māre ana ko te rei. Tā whito ana te uru rei mako ai ko te tūnga o te hau te re pipi wai ana ko te morehu. He koro whiti, he koro whata, ka tū ki runga ko te manura i e. Taipora tia tūturu o whiti whakamaua ki a tīna.
Tīna.
Haumi e hui e i. Tai ki e. E tau ana.
Ngā mihi
Let's
mai.
go.
Me hoake. Woo!
Nore,
Because he...
instead, bro, we'll just go straight to the King Bank, pull up to the bank, have a couple of hours sleep, bro, and then straight into it.
Yeah.
Oh, Cuzzy, I was almost anticipating that because I've already started pulling out jigs, getting things ready, knowing that we're going to have a crack at the warahinga tomorrow, probably the bass. So, got our selection ready, straight to the King Bank. Yeah, boy.
He toru ngā rā e hi ana, ā he nui tonu ngā mahi kei mui a mātou ki te whakarite ngā rauemi hi ika.
That should work. I know you've done a bit of rigging, bro. Is that all right?
Pretty sharp, bro. It's pretty sharp. It's good.
O whānau, tōna te rā ki te uru, e kite ana hau, i a Ōturu e rewa mai ana i te rapiti, nā reira, kōti te rā. But before the day's completely over, we're just going to continue to start rigging up a few of our bits and pieces, ready for the morning, travel through the night, get up early, get ready to get into it with the Cuzzies, up, heading towards Manawa. Can't wait for tomorrow. Nō reira te whānau, o Māori.
O Māori.
So I look up at the sun, even though it's bright. No shades on, no, I wanna see the lights. No rain,
Ata Māori te whānau, ko Aotepo, ko taimai ki tēnei wāhi o Manawa Tāwhi ki ngā wai, e rere nei, ki te au i a Ōturu, te marama, e tō ana ki te uru, nā reira kei roto i tērā, wahanga o te maramataka mo te rākatoa taino ki te whitinga mai o Rākaunui a te pōnei. Whānau, we're up here, ne Manawa Tāwhi, we're right at the end of the Marlin season. Today will be my last chance to get my first Marlin up here in this beautiful area. After that, we're going to start jigging, dropping some baits to see whether we can get some big warahinga, some moi on there, some hapuka, good people, good vibes, out on our mission. It's going to be epic, whānau.
Ko tai atu ki te King Bank, ā ko tukuna ngā pōpua ki te whakapātari te ngau a ngā takekenui. Ā, mea rawa ake, ka puta mai tētahi.
Come on, you little bugger.
Get it, take it, take it.
Come on, hit it, hit it. Oh, that's epic.
Yeah.
Oh, had a little soft bite.
Still around?
Oh, how cool is that? Oi te whānau, tēnā pia rua te kau miniti e tōtō mai ana ngā mea whakapōpō mo te takekenui. Tei ka taimai tētahi, sat in the gear for quite a while, whānau. Had a whack at the lure, didn't hit. So now we continue to wait, but a little bit of excitement to start our day. Could this be the day I get my first Marlin, my first takekenui? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Te whai ake nei, he hopunga rereke.
Skippy on the Marlin lure, mate. Almost as big as the lure.
Ā, ka pakū a mori.
Oh, I think Tangaro's testing us.
Ōturu rises one day before Rākaunui, the full moon. It's a time of high energy and a great day for fishing. Kei te hiku o tika mātou ko Daza ko Mori, ā ko tai atu ki King Bank. Kua whakaritea ngā rauemi hi, ā kua kitea hoki te tahi takekenui.
Oh, had a little soft bite. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hara mai te āhua. I te haere tonu mātou, ka toia ngā pōpua ki te hopu aku. Ā, ka hore I roa, ka puta mai ētahi.
Oh, yes, whānau. That is exactly what we want. Nice little skippy.
They say there's something in the water. Got 'em all acting so crazy.
There he is.
Don't know
Yeah.
why they even bother.
Too good, boys.
Hey, that's what we're talking about.
Bait, brothers.
Bait.
Well, whānau, we're starting to have a bit of luck with the skippies. So we need a lot of these because we'll use them for bait for when we're targeting moione later, bass. And we can also use these as a pitch bait for the marlin. And we're in this phase of Ōturu. So Ōturu rose last night. We'll be in this Ōturu phase until takekenui, the full moon rises tonight. We're in that time of the maramataka where the tides are big, spring tides, strong currents, and that quite often will bring on a strong bite. We're hoping that'll be the case today. Skippy on the marlin lure, baby.
How the hell does that even happen?
Oh, look at that, cuzzy. Man, almost as big as the lure.
Kua oti te mahi hopu aku, ā e nuku ana mātou ki te tauranga warehenga. Engari, e tōtō tonu ana ngā pōpōa mo te takekenui.
Whoa, we're on.
He's dropped.
Oh, e te whānau. We just had our first strike. Oh, we just needed it to stick, whānau. Never mind. Hopefully we'll get another opportunity. Hoi rā te mahi hi, ētahi wā, nā ka mau, ētahi wā ka ngaro. I tēnei wā, ko ngaro tērā o ngā takekenui. Hoi no, kore tae te pēhea I ētahi wā. Hard luck, brothers!
Aha koa koriro anō te takekenui e kai kā tonu ana mātou. Ā, ko tai atu ki te tauranga tuatahi mo te warehenga. Ko te wā tuatahi tēnei mo mori I konei.
Kidding me.
Ā, ko te wawata ka hopu I aia ngā ika nui.
I'm just getting the drag tightened up a bit, whānau, because it's one of those places where you got to be ready. What's our depth there, Craig? Roughly. Oh, yeah, sweet.
65.
Oh, yeah. Bit of current here, whānau. We've just coming up to the turn of the tide. Te mānunutanga o te taipari e huri mai ana. Got a bit of current here. You on, bro? You on? Yes, brother! Get him, bro. Get him. Your first warahenga here at Manawa. Oh, yeah, looks like a warahenga, bro.
Correct.
Unless it's a trevally. Oh, so it could be a arara. Oh, bro, bring it to the back of the boat. Get the bro to land it.
There we go.
Oh,
There's lunch.
yes.
There's lunch. There's lunch.
Oh, titiro mai ki tēnei te whānau. Beautiful arara. Too good whānau. We're on the board.
We're on the board.
He kai tēnā. Woo.
Yep.
Oh, you're on, bro. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Another arara, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, beauty. Oh, there's dinner.
Te hanga nei ko ngā araara nahe e hia kai ana, engari e kore ka hore, ka tai mai ngā warehenga.
Oh, did you have a hit? Oh, you're on. Go, cuzzy.
A bit better, my bro. Yeah, bit better, bro. Better. Yeah. Oh.
Come off.
Yeah, lost
Oh, that's all right, bro. Must have been meant to be a bigger one to come. That doesn't feel like a kingy, but yeah, I'm on. Oh, anu. Ko mai au te tahi. Ka hake te momo. Yes. Oh, we were both hooked up for a second there. Oh, this one come off too. That's the kingy, bro. Oh. Oh, bro, that was a big fish, bro.
Good fish.
Got him this time.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, that just come off. Yee! Oh,
Sakes.
oh yeah, bro. Oh, that's the kingy, bro. Yes, you're on, right. Oh, that's it, brother. That's it. Oh, ah, brother, we're on. Yee! Oh. Yeah, brother. Oh. Oh. Cuzzy. So that's two big warahinga, bro. One come off the hook. The other one somehow managed to break the jig and the hook off.
Yeah.
I think Tangaro's testing us.
I think so. But I tell you what though, Cuzzy, I've never been railed like that ever in my life.
Right.
Yeah, I've caught hundreds and hundreds of kingfish. I've caught, marlin. I've caught everything that you can catch out here, but nothing of this epicness and nothing of this proportion, man. This is the Jurassic Park of fishing, bro. This area.
Bro, you had your drag pretty much locked.
Oh, it was locked.
And it was pulling line off it.
Yeah.
The rod was nearly straightening out. It was bent that much, it nearly looked straight.
Yeah. No, that was just absolutely unreal, epic.
Well, whānau, that's what you have to contend with when you're up here. You win a few battles, you lose a few. The day is far from being over.
Hold up.
Bro, we're going to get it, bro.
Yeah, we
we'll
are.
Get it, we'll get it.
Te whai ake nei,
Oh my goodness.
ka rarua hau e te kaitango tāke,
Look at that, whānau. That would have been 20 plus.
ā he pakanga nui kei te haere i te whawhai hau ki te takekenui.
He's on the other one now. Oh, yeah, he's hit. Yeah! Yes! Yee-hee-hee!
Ōturu rises one day before Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a period of high energy and a great time for fishing.
Fire in my soul, lifted by the sunshine.
Te rā rawerawe tēnei I te King Bank I Manawa Tāwhi.
Come on, hit it.
Aha koa kōrero ngā takekenui,
Oh, that's epic. Oh, had a little soft bite.
ko hopu mātou I ngā arara.
That's lunch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, that's the kingy, bro.
Engari, he ua anō te hopu warahenga.
Ah! Oh,
Mo te wā nei, he hopu tonu ana mātou I ngā arara.
here we go. What have we got there, brothers? Another arara? Yeah. And what do you got, bro? Another arara. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. Whānau, we are getting fish to the boat. At the moment, it's all arara. We've had a couple of warahinga bust off. We haven't been able to get them to the boat. But look at these beautiful fish, whānau. Some of the best fish for raw fish. I ka ota, I ka mata. I tēnei wā o te maramataka o Ōturu. He nui ngā tai. We've got big highs, low lows, a lot of current. And e kite ana ngā hua o Tangaro I tēnei wā o te maramataka. Tēnei te tahi wahanga tino papairawa te kiau. We're seeing the fruits. We're just not landing those big ones. So, hoi no, he kai mo te pō, he kai kia mauri atu ki te whānau. All right. Come on, Tangaro. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's the dog. That's it, boys. That's it. Oh,
Shot, Nore, shot, bro.
oh we're fish on, whānau. Oh, get him. Yes. That feels like a warahinga, whānau. Yeah, boy.
There's a warahinga.
Yeah. I think that drag's just right too. Can still pull a bit of line. I'm up off the bottom at the moment. Yes, nice. Ooh. Tēnei wā o Ōturu, whānau. I'm finally hooked up to a warahinga. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, no, don't say he might be getting sharked, whānau. Yeah, he's been sharked, all right. Can see the blood. Oh, no, whānau. Right towards the end. Damn it.
He's been sharked.
Oh, well, them's the brakes.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that, whānau. That would have been 20 plus, 100%. Unfortunately, the taxman turned up, took his share. You could see what looked like a bronzy in the water, coming for that final bite. Now it's game over.
Ka hore te hopu warehenga e whakatutuki ana I tēnei wāhi, nā reira ka nuku mātou I konei ā ka tuku anō ngā pōpō mo te takekenui. Me ara wāke.
Oh, far up. No, go on. The other one. He's on the other one now. Oh, yeah, he's hit. Yeah! Yes! Come off.
Stay forward.
Oh, whānau, we're hooked up and this thing's going. He hasn't even slowed down yet, whānau. Oh, he's just peeling out. Whānau, we have our marlin on. He inui kia tangaro, kia mau ki te mutunga. We're hoping it's a solid hook and it doesn't come out. And then we get an opportunity to land this thing. Would be so amazing. Oh, no.
Keep going, you've got him. One.
Oh, yeah, no, he's still there.
He's there.
No, we've got the tension back. Tēnei wā te maramataka o Ōturu. Oh, te kaha hoki o te au I tēnei wā. This is the longest I've probably had a marlin on, so I'm hoping it's well and truly stuck and not going to come off. Yeah, he's pulling again. Yeah. Oh, there he is, straight out there.
I aia nei nā, me a ta mānawa.
Just slowly tire this fish out. Come on. Oh.
No. Keep that tension on, bro. Wind him. You got him. He's still there. Leave Nore, do a bit of mahi. We're almost there. 40, 50 metres. He's breached.
Nearly there, whānau.
He's on top.
Nearly there.
Shot, Nore. Doing well, cousin.
Ko tata ki te kotahi me te hawhi haora no taku urunga atu ki te whawhai. Ā, te hanga nei ko pau te hau o tēnei ika.
I'll go with you back, bro. Forward, right hand down. We need to get him back on starboard. Nice and easy.
Yeah, keep going. Wide. Yep.
Get him, bro.
Ko whakatata mai te ika ki te poti, engari I aia nei nā me matāra ake me mahi ngātahi tonu mātou te ngaro taku takekenui tuatahi.
Here he comes. Hey, where is he? Oh, you got him, Des.
Got him.
Okay, hang on, bro.
Yeah, I'll hold, bro. I'll hold.
Whānau, they've got the gaff in this fish. We decided to keep it. You know, I should be yahooing, but I'm just so grateful to have got this fish. We decided after a long fight, he's probably spent, so we'll keep him. Up. Ah! Yeah! Yes! Done! Woo! What a beast, bro! Oh, whānau, I'll tell you what, this has been a long time coming. Over season 2, season 3 of Moontide Fishing, we've been out, we've been trying to get the takekenui, the marlin. We've got this big takeketunga, probably over 100 kilos. We are going to keep this, we are going to eat it. Beautiful, so grateful to have this fish on board. And I tell you what, whānau, ko tau te wairua I ānei, ko te tuki tērā, whainga tērā, hihia kia hopu, tēnei, taku takekenui, tuatahi. Cuzzies, thank you very much.
See you, my guys.
Great, Cuzzy, bro. Thank you. Kanui tēnā, mo te rā nei, ko te tuki te whainga, no reira, Kau e ware me hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.